Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today, today in the additional of today's newspaper on a Thursday, it's Thursday, February the 25th, 2023, we have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. It's noisy out there. Let me continue. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and this one, yes, is a special one with 10 printed digits. Looking forward for this one. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars, the 4 stars, Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. Why? Well, why not all? It's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, in this one, let me start with the 3 star Sudoku. This will be number 6010. 6010. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 23. No, not 23. 25 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright, 3 2s, 1 3, 4 4s. Yeah, 3 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 1s and the 4s are in majority. Can I start with the 1? Yes. We have 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1 1 1 1 1, and now I cannot continue with 1. Yeah, I need to wait for more information, insufficient information out there. Yeah, the noise, they are restoring the street. Yeah, street makers. Yeah, so it's noisy out there. Let me continue. How about the 4 then? Let me check. 4 4. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 4. Alright. 4 4 4 4 4 4. And now I cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. Need to wait. How about the 6 in the last row? 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 6. Alright. How about the 8 then? The 8. 2 8s. 2 7s. Well. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. Well, still cannot continue with the 5. 5 5 5. No. Let me choose another digit. How about 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, yeah. 2, 3, and 7. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, last row. 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. Well, the noise is stopped. Haha. No. The noise. Well, with 5 missing numbers in this big square, 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the middle column, so no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. Yeah. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. That means here cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. One of them is the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing, yeah. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 8. Yeah, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Alright. Do we have all the 2s? Let me check. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 9. Yeah. 9. Well, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 marks. So the 4 could be here or there in this column. Here or there, we see a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, okay. 4. 4. Yeah. Well. 4. Interesting. 3, 8, and 4. 3, 8, and the 4. 3, 8, and 4. No. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this row. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 3. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 5. 7. Alright. 4. Then 4. No. How about the 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And we have a pair again, the 9 and the 6 in the third column, the 9 and the 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 9 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and the 6, 9 and the 6. Alright. Then. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in the last row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this big square. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left now in the first column for number 8. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Wow. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. Then, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then. Yeah. 7 and 8. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers in the third column are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in this second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Alright. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And all the 7s. Oh, not used. Neither 7 and 8 here. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. Now I can count. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. We have a pair, and those numbers are the 3 and 8 in this row, the 3 and 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. Alright. Then Two missing numbers in this big square front of us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 it goes there. 6 in the first row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Then. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row for number. Oh, no. We have a 9 and a 6. Let me put the 1 here. Okay, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers, a 9 and a 6, 9 and a 6 in this row. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright, and final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. Wait. Again, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. Not correct. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. Yeah, totally different Sudoku than yesterday. Yesterday I need more time for solving that puzzle. But is this really a 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. Faster than 20 minutes, but not faster than 50 minutes. So it's a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in a minute with the second puzzle. A 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.